Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to select multiply photos in Google Photos. You have to start by opening Google Photos application. Now we have few options how to select multiply photos. The first one, you can just tap on them and select them. Now I select 5 of them. Also, you can click at the three dots at the right top. Firstly, set layout to months. And now, as you can see, we have months, so you can select months. And we select these photos from the months. Also, I recommended to click at the stack similar photos, because by default disabled. And now, so I disable it and I have normal photos, but if I enable it, now my photos have stacks, only duplicates. Right here, as you can see, we have 2 photos, so we have the stack with multiple photos. Right here, you can also remove it if you don't need. And then you just select them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.